Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this rainbow eye makeup tutorial for the month of June, Pride Month. So if you guys want to know how to get this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload. Now let's get started with the tutorial. Today I'm creating a rainbow eyeshadow look, and it is for Pride Month. So I just wanted to take this eyeshadow palette right here. This is the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil. I just purchased it a few months ago, but I haven't used it. This is going to be my first time using it, and it's just so beautiful, and I got inspired by this palette. So on one side I'm gonna create more of a yellow, orangey, red eye, and then on this side I'll do more of a green, blue, purple eye, so that'll create more of a rainbow look. I'm going to use the P. Louise base in Rumor 1, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit here, and then I also use a brush to blend it out. And I do like to extend it a little bit outside since I am going to create a look more smoked out over here. I know a lot of you guys probably have this palette, so make sure you follow along. I'm using this Morphe M507 brush, and I'm just going to start with the yellow shade right here. I think it looks very similar to this one. I might blend both of them together. So I'm gonna keep it above the lid. I don't want to drag it down because I am going to put a white shade on the lid above the crease, like so. The next color I'm gonna take is this orange one right next to it. I might mix it with this, so I'm gonna probably do this one first and then do this one at the outer corner. And then this is the Makeup Shack T8. So this is gonna go right next to it. And you can of course blend it with the yellow. At the end I'll go back to blend them out. The last brush that I'm using is this Morphe M506, and I'm gonna take the red right next to it. I am gonna do a half cut crease. Whoa, this red is poppin', it's really nice. So I'm just going to extend it this way, but still kind of lock it in. So you bring it down just a little bit. Now I'm just gonna go back to the yellow and pick up a little bit more and start blending it upwards. Not too upward by the brow bone, but just slightly. And then pick up a little bit of the orange and start blending it out. In this part you want to grab your brush all the way at the end and don't put a lot of pressure. And now I'm going to take the red eyeshadow and start blending that out. I'm using the P. Louise again to cut the crease. I'm just going to take this Sigma brush. It's a double-ended that came in my palette. It's just a flat brush. And I'm just going to take this color right here, this one at the bottom. And then that's when I start blending out the red at the end. And I'm gonna go back to all of the colors again and just make them bright. So I'm taking this green shade up here and I'm using the Morphe M562. And I'm just going to start applying it in the inner part of the crease. And you want to go all the way to the tear duct area. This is such a beautiful green shade. Now I'm just going to take a blue shade. I'm just going to take the one right next to that one here. So I'm taking this blue one here. I might mix it with the bottom one, or the one next to it. But first I'm using that. And I'm just using this Sigma brush. And I'm going to apply it right here. Kind of like mix it with the green. I'm just gonna take some of the dark shade right next to it, just so I can start blending into the purple. For the purple shade I have so many options, so I'm just going to use this one here. Blend a little bit of this to this. And that one I'm using the JH38 brush. And now time to blend them upwards. I'm not taking any more product and I'm just blending that in. The green shade. Now I'm going to blend the blue shade with no product. No extra product. Now I just have to blend the purple shade. Looking pretty good. Start cutting away, girl. And then just apply the white and we're done. So I'm just using this white right here. I'm gonna do it off camera and then I'll be right back with the lashes. Hey guys, so I popped on some lashes and the lashes that I used today are these ones by the Makeup Shack and these are in the style Dubai. These are poppin'. If you haven't tried Makeup Shack lashes, you are missing out. They are very comfortable and easy to apply. So now I'm just gonna do my face makeup off camera and then I'll come back to do the lower lash line. So I'm gonna just use the colors that I used on top and use them on the bottom. I'll be right back in a few seconds. I'm just going to do the lower lash line and I'm gonna pick up the purple shade and just apply it on the bottom part here. Sorry if you can hear the birds. I just needed the window open. It's so hot here in SD. I am digging it though, but filming is gonna be hard in the summer. Now I'm taking the blue shade with the same brush and just putting it on the bottom part here. I'm just mimicking everything from the top. And then I just like to go back to the purple and just add more to blend it out. My favorite shade, I think. This green is poppin'. Look at the difference it makes. So this side is with the eyeshadow and it just looks amazing. So now I'm just going to take the yellow shade. Start here. I think my least favorite shade was the orange one. It's just not as pigmented. The red shade was my second least favorite, I think, like as for pigment. It's just not a true red. It comes off as more pink than anything. It looks definitely so pink. For the eyeliner, I'm just using the Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner. And I'm not applying it all the way to the inner corner, because then I hate how it looks. And then I just take my mascara. I use the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara, and I'm just using that for the lashes on the bottom part. So this is the final look with the lipstick and everything, the lower lashes, and I really enjoyed the palette. I just wanted to give my honest opinion about this palette, and overall it is very nice and pigmented. I just had trouble with the orange shade and the red shade. Those were the only ones that I had trouble with, but other than that, all of them were really nice. Even the purple was so nice. At first it wasn't really pigmented. It was kind of like not blending with the blue, but it worked out at the end. I just enjoyed this palette very, very much, and it's very affordable. You can find it at bhcosmetics.com. I will definitely pick up the shimmer one. They have a shimmer one too. If you guys don't have it, definitely pick it up if you want to create colorful looks like this. I just wanted to create this for Pride Month. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my take on this rainbow eye look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this eye makeup tutorial right here. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.